In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add columns to reports in QuickBooks Online. To get started, open the report you want to work with. If you are not already inside a report, go to the left-hand menu and click on Reports. From there, choose the report you want from the available list. This could be a standard financial report, a sales report, or another report type depending on what information you need to review. The important thing is to begin inside the specific report where you want the extra columns to appear. Once the report is open, look to the top right corner and click Customize. This is where QuickBooks Online gives you control over how the report is displayed. The Customize panel will open on the right side of your screen, and this is where you can adjust different parts of the report to better match the information you want to see. In that right side panel, you will notice several sections that can be expanded or adjusted. Find the section called Columns and expand it. Inside this area, QuickBooks will show you a list of available columns that can be added to the report. These options can vary depending on the type of report you opened, so do not be surprised if the list looks different from one report to another. Now simply check the boxes next to the columns you want to add. As you choose them, think about what details will actually help you analyze the report more effectively. Adding too many columns can sometimes make a report harder to read, so it is usually best to include only the fields that are useful for your current task. After selecting the columns you want, click Apply. QuickBooks will refresh the report and display the new columns you added. At that point, your customized report should be ready to review. One important thing to keep in mind is that this method depends on the report type you are using. Some reports in QuickBooks Online allow additional columns to be added, while others have more limited customization options. So if you do not see the column choices you expected, it may simply be because that particular report does not support them. And that's all it takes. Open the report, go into Customize, expand the columns section, select the columns you want, and apply the changes. With just a few clicks, you can make your reports more useful and better suited to the information you need.